Now we're going to add some candies for the eyes and the tongue and some claws. First, I've got a little sugared jelly thing, a strawberry. I'm just going to cut it like this and use it for a tongue for our bear. You just cut that, it's a little sticky. And I'm going to stick that right there coming out of his snout. I'm going to use a little bit of licorice, and I'm going to give his snout a little more shape, like this. Oops, I think I'll move his nose a bit too. There. Now I have these egg candies. I'm going to use that for the whites of his eyes. And I'll put them right there, like that. And then just use a chocolate chip. You can also add just a tiny bit, a tiny bit of frosting to make it stick. There for his eyes. And then we're going to give him a little gift package to hold. So I've got the chocolate bar there, that's the box. And I'm going to fill the box with little gummy bears. I have lots of little gummy bears, and we'll just put all these beautiful colored gummy bears. You just lay it right in the frosting. And we'll fill his package with lots of little gummy bears. And we're going to take with our red licorice, or you can even cut some of that sour candy, the strips, and you can actually make a bow with the. I'm going to take a little of this string licorice and just curl it around to look like a bow, and we'll place that right here on our package. And then I'll use some of these chocolate chips for claws. And you just place a little bit of a line along here with claws on both sides of his paws. And there we have our quick and easy teddy bear cake.